Alright, here we go. Toilet update. Time for toilet update. Five-gallon bucket. Spout out to a jug. I will, if I'm using this on a trip, I will empty that jug every morning and every evening. And that seems to work the best. Change it twice a day, or dump it twice a day. Those are some peat moss. In case I go poo in here, I try not to go poo in here. But if I do, I have some peat moss to spread over it, and then I will take that bag out and get rid of it as soon as possible. And I put this back divider on because the pee was splattering back this way and stinking, so that keeps it from going back there. And I do feel this when I sit down, so guys, I do not think you would be comfortable with this design. Let's pull this out so you can look at it. I changed these out to machine bolts and put a wing nut on it and some big washers on each side. And it's not real tight because I want it a little loose so I can get the bag between there. See, get the bag and get the little, and then you can put it up underneath here so you catch your whatever you put back there, poo or toilet paper or whatever. And to get this on there, I had this other plastic container that I used for parts for projects, and I taped it in, measured out what I needed, taped it in place, glued it with E6000, and then this black stuff is that liquid electrical tape to waterproof it so it wouldn't leak, and I did that on both sides. And I'm going to stop this and then I'll take it apart and you can see it. Okay, this is it taken apart. See. And it goes in there. Down in there, so you got a nice place to go potty. And then the bag, probably about, if you don't poo in it for a woman, about every 2 days, change it out with the toilet paper because it fills it up. If you go longer, you'll have to take it apart to get it out because it'll be too full to pull out. But you can pull it out. I can pull it out after 2 days. I'm just using it for toilet paper for peeing. And then I just put another bag in there. Just combine it with my kitchen trash and get out. And then this top part is held in place like that. And then you got a nice little seat to sit down. Closed up. This is a 3-quart jug, water jug, and then the regular 1-gallon milk jug's also fitting in there. And it won't go anywhere. It won't fall out or fall over. I mean, if you get rolled over upside down, it'd spill, but you got more to worry about than spilt pee if you get rolled upside down. So I ain't worried about it. it's not going to go anywhere. Alright, that's the update for the toilet, so hopefully that'll help some people out. See ya.